Hi guys, long time no see. I was sitting here getting ready to make breakfast and take my pills and thinking about how I owe you guys a life update, I owe you guys some videos, and I decided, you know what, let's just do a day in the life. It's not going to be a particularly interesting day in the life because I have nothing going on today. It is Wednesday, it's raining like cats and dogs like it has been for the last 3 days, and I'm staying home today, working on housework, working on laundry. But I just kind of thought it might be fun to chit-chat with you guys and share a little bit of what's been going on with me. So, I'm sitting here making breakfast in my new kitchen, I guess. It's not really new, but we have some new things in it. We finally replaced the appliances. You guys know, if you've been watching for a while, that my microwave has been on the fritz for like 2 years, and I kept talking about how we needed to replace it. And I kept putting it off because I didn't want to spend the money, but finally we saved up enough and figured out what we wanted. So we replaced the microwave, and we replaced the stove, and we replaced the refrigerator. My husband is in the process of building this in, which is why it looks a little crazy. But we got really great deals on everything. It was something that we had been planning and budgeting for a really long time, so I'm very excited about it. This particular refrigerator has a little bit of a dent in it here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it was marked down like a super huge amount because of that little tiny dent, and the dent doesn't bother me. What does bother me is the fingerprints. I need to get it cleaned up today, but that is one of the new things going on. Thought I would just mention that right off the rip because I'm about to make some breakfast. Oh, and I need to take my pills. I'm on so many medications now, it's ridiculous. I was always on a couple of blood pressure medications, but my doctor recently added Prilosec for me to take every day because I have gastritis. I've been going through a ton of doctor's appointments lately. It's one of the reasons I wanted to update you guys. Hold on, my camera battery's about to die. Let me switch it out, take my pills, get breakfast going, and I'll check in with you guys after that. Alright, so I got my pills taken, my breakfast is going, so I figured I can chat with you while that cooks. So, what I was starting to tell you guys is that I have gone through quite a bit of testing with the doctors lately. I've been having some pain. I think I talked to you guys about that in one of my vlogs or videos, life updates, whatever it was, I don't know. I've been so inconsistent with filming lately, it's hard to keep track of it. But I had an EKG done, I had a bunch of blood work done, I had CT scan done, I had a scope done where they put me to sleep and they put a little camera down my throat. That's where they discovered the gastritis. But in the end, I need my gallbladder out. So I have that surgery scheduled for the first week in March. Very excited to have it taken care of. I'm nervous about the procedure, but I'm excited to get it taken care of and be out of pain. So that's what's been going on there. I guess that's pretty much it that I needed to update you guys on. I thought there was a ton of things that I needed to tell you, but I guess not really. We've just been, you know, doing our thing. Austin's pretty heavily into soccer now. He loves it. Robbie has it in his head that he wants to play football next year, so he's been like hardcore training for that in addition to training for soccer. And the track season's gonna be starting up soon, and he's definitely still on board for track, so it's been busy with school activities and things. Other than that, just kind of getting our kitchen put together. Not really much has been going on. I haven't been filming because I just haven't felt like filming. There hasn't been much going on in terms of like vlogging. We're just staying home all the time because it's been so cold and snowy, but now the weather's starting to warm up. We're moving into spring, so I'm very excited about that. My mood has been completely uplifted. So hopefully more and more videos will be coming soon. Let me know what you guys want to see for videos for me. You know, I've been doing a ton of grocery hauls and not a lot else, but I want to do some more cleaning videos, and I want to talk to you guys about my budget. I know I've gotten lots of requests for that. I'm burning my English muffin, so I'm going to put together my little breakfast sandwich, and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Alright, so I got my little breakfast sandwich. It's just a sausage and cheese English muffin. My banana. I got my computer booted up. I'm going to work on a few things there. My coffee. My planner. And YouTube on the screen. I'm going to watch Sophia. So, not too shabby. Not a bad way to start a morning. Alright guys, so it is 11:20 now. I'm going to spend a little bit of time. I'm going to clean my kitchen up because it's a mess. I need to empty the dishwasher and obviously take care of all of this and the stainless steel, get the trash out. So I'm going to spend the next hour working on that. I've got laundry in the washer and the dryer, so I'm going to fold that. And then we're going to work in my living room, which is also a disaster. So done with the kitchen. I took a really long time and really thoroughly cleaned all my appliances because I want to keep them nice. When we took the old stove out of here, I was appalled at how greasy and gross it was. And that's with regular cleanings. So I want to really stay on top of this so that it doesn't get gross too. So I did all that. I used this stainless steel polish by Array. I got it at Gordon Food Service. It's one of these like industrial kitchen, like commercial kitchen places where you can go to buy supplies for restaurants and things. So I thought this would be good. It worked okay. I don't know. What do you guys use on your stainless steel? I've tried the, what are they, I can't remember, the stainless steel wipes by that company. I can't remember what it's called. Those work okay too, but I feel like everything leaves it streaky. This worked better than those, but I'm still not 100% convinced. But I got that done. I used this Method glass cleaner, which I'm not a fan of. I won't repurchase this. I feel like it just leaves things streaky. I'm going to go back to plain old Windex. I love the way it smells though. And then I used this Method all-purpose cleaner, which I do love. This one is the lime and sea salt scent, and it smells so good. So good. Love that. So I get these products, the Method products, and my Mrs. Meyer's products from Grove Collaborative, which I've talked to you guys before. I'll leave it linked down below if you guys are interested in getting these more natural products. But yeah, so I used that, got everything nice and clean. I still need to do the floors, which is next on my list, and then move on to the rest of the house and get that done. Whew, I'm already worn out. Okay, so for lunch today, I'm going to be having a bean and cheese burrito. We had tacos last night, and I had a ton of beans left over because I'm the only one in the family that eats them. Austin eats them sometimes. He had a little bit, but mostly just me, and I can't eat a whole can by myself. So this will probably be lunch for the next few days. I'm just going to use the leftover tortillas that we have and some of this 4-blend cheese and make myself a little bean burrito, and that's going to be lunch. Alright, so there's my little burrito and just some carrot sticks on the side for some crunch. That's lunch. Alright guys, so I am just sitting here at the high school waiting on Robbie to come out. He had a tutoring session today with one of his teachers, so he stayed after school to work on a paper, so that's what that is about. It is almost 4 o'clock, so he's been in there a little while. Hopefully he managed to get a lot of work done on that paper because he's still struggling in his classes, especially English, which is the class that the paper is for. So every little bit of help that he can get is very well needed. So I'm just sitting out here waiting for him. He's supposed to be out at 4. Hopefully he doesn't keep me waiting out here forever. People are looking at me funny because I'm talking into my camera, so I'm gonna go, but I will show you guys him when he comes out, if he will let me. I don't know how thrilled he will be about being on camera. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys in a bit. Hi, Bubba. Hi. So Austin's home and he is having a snack. He's having some Ritz crackers with some pepperoni. Robbie went in and immediately got started on homework, so I'm going to put together a little snack for him and take it to him because he's in his room working. He didn't quite get his paper finished, but he got it started, and he's going to go back again for more tutoring on Monday, so hopefully he can manage to get that taken care of. But how was your day at school, Austin?
Good.
Good. How's that snack? Ooh, show him your finger. He slammed his finger in the car door yesterday. It looks terrible. How's it feel? Does it hurt?
No.
Good. Do you have any homework?
No. I don't think so.
Even though you were absent yesterday, you don't have any homework?
Well, I have that homework, yeah.
Okay, well that's homework, silly.
I forgot about it.
So finish up your snack and then get to work on that, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so for Robbie's snack, he's going to have a couple of Valentine's Day cookies and some chocolate milk. very, very healthy, but that's what he wanted, so what can you do? Alright, kiddo, here's your snack. Your room's a mess. Here, your cookies.
Cookies.
Your chocolate milk.
Milk.
You want to say hi?
Hola.
What are you working on?
Crossword.
For...
Bio.
And then what? What else do you have for homework?
Something where I go on the internet and look up stuff and I write down something.
For what class?
History. No, not history. Spanish.
Alright, well, if you need any help, give me a call.
Yeah.
And I'll help you, okay?
Okay.
How's your cookie?
Good. I need help with something.
What do you need help with?
More cookies.
I think 2 is plenty. We're gonna have dinner. I'm making pasta.
After pasta, 2 more cookie.
We'll see. Alright, get back to work. Alright guys, so I'm making a pasta for dinner tonight. It's going to be a meat sauce, and it is actually venison. So I'm just cooking that up. I've seasoned it up with some Italian spices. I'm going to add some sauce once it cooks through. I've already got my water coming to a boil on the stove top. I have some garlic bread in the freezer I need to pull out, so we are well on our way to dinner. Alright guys, so here's a look at dinner. I made penne pasta with meat sauce that I showed you guys. I just sprinkled some Parmesan cheese on there. We have some broccoli and some garlic bread. I'm about to call the family out and we're going to have a nice dinner together. Eric just walked in the door. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and say goodnight now. I don't know how interesting this video was. I'm just kind of trying to get back into the swing of things a little bit. Hopefully I'll be back with another video soon. Thanks so much for watching guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!